Hello once more. Let's see today what this machine can do. We have some drills for wood, 25mm both of them, and some drills for metal. We will make all the tests. We will also arrange the speed of the machine. I will show you how. Let's start. So for the first part, let's try. The machine is ready. I also regulated the lasers, as we see. Let's start. That's the first one. Done. Well done. Okay, it stopped one time. Maybe I pressed too much. Let's go to the next one. So, I'll leave this free. Go down. Good. Let's start. So let's see what we have. Very good. Very good. We are just here. I didn't go more down because this 25 doesn't fit here. So for safety reasons. But I think we have enough deep. Anyway, we can give another piece of metal here and go more down. Or just to take this off. If this piece of wood that you have is too high, you take this off. You take this, you install it here, and you go as down you want. Let's try it. Good one. Now the speed setting is 1300. I will leave this free, so that it can, as we go down, you will see that if something stops it, it will go up too, so we need to go a little bit higher. Okay. That's good. Okay, so let's start. We will wear also gloves too. Let's see what we have. Very clean cut. And I didn't feel that the motor is going down or is feeling weak. Let's make once more. Yeah, perfect. The one next to other, as it's supposed to be, that it keeps it straight. Let's see this one. Good one. Good job. Next one. Next one. I will stop here. I will stop here. Okay, some difficulties. Maybe the adjustment of the speed plays a role, that's for sure. It's not a thin metal, it's a bit fat. So to adjust the speed, we have to open this box. Okay. Now, as I said, here, the band must be always in the same level. It can't be the first year and the fifth year. That can't. So at the most low we have the most low speed, and the most high speed. That's it. To regulate the speed, we have to change the band place. We need number 6, this tool, and number 14. We keep the bolt from here, and we set free this one. So this is placed. So now see, when we will push it, we have this belt free, and we can go it up or down where we want. I will give it first on the most low speed. We always take it back and be careful, like as the manufacturer says, the belt must not be full stretched. So we give it like that here. So if we see that it's not enough and we need someplace more to push, we have to open the other one, bolt, on this side. And we go as much as we need. So we see where somewhere here, we set it. And once more. We take the band, must have a little bit space, must not be full stretch as I said. Close, must be closed, doesn't work otherwise. And I will just show the speed. I'll just use this part here. Let's see what kind of role the speed plays. Let's go. It was going very well, but we stopped. Okay, we see that at the biggest speed we have a lot of vibration. But anyway, it works perfect. Now once more. You don't see because of this, but it's okay. Now, as you see, we can't stretch that much. Good. Now let's make the last one at the most low turns, 600. Great work. That's all my friends. Good stuff. The big roll plays the drill. The machine works fine. For a local garage, home, or just not that professional, I can say it's worth for money. Bye bye.